大家好，我係 Alan Chan. Situation: You are Taxi Chan, a very savvy taxi driver. You now have 40 seconds to familiarize yourself with the question-answer book and the data file. The recording is about to begin. What time is it? 5:30. When I was 17 years old, I participated in a singing contest. I really wanted to try to be an artist. I won the competition. That's how I started my career. What time is it? Midi, minuit. What do I do to waste my time? Sleeping. 好好笑。4. 仲好笑。The moment when I open my eyes. In the morning. 7. When I hug my mother. I really want to stop the time. It's all about seconds.